It's a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V8 engine, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, four-wheel drive, and heated leather bucket seats. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.